Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I will be sharing with you all my some of my pearl collection. Pearls have always been my favorite. They are timeless, they are classic, they never go out of fashion. And since the time I watched Breakfast at Tiffany or Audrey Hepburn, that pearl strand on her neck, I always wanted something similar. So let's start with whatever I have right now. So let's start with the first jewelry. This is the oldest pearl necklace that I have in my collection. These are black pearls. These were gifted to me from my sister, and she got it from Hyderabad. She had shifted there for 3-4 years, and she had gifted me this pearl. It was very unique. I mean, we all had white. We always see white pearl. So this is something absolutely unique. It's almost been like I almost own this from past 8 years. The shine, the look is absolutely as good as new. I have not really worn this a lot. Probably I get to wear it once a year. But it's a stunning piece. This is a piece, I'll always have it with me, because it is very rare when you get a gift from your sister, especially when you have a sister like mine. But the necklace is so beautiful that when it came to earring, it's just a simple stud, because you don't want the whole look of the necklace to go down. And it was very ideal gift for me, because I generally don't like this single strand of pearl. I never used to like. Now I have started to develop a taste for it. But it was very nice of her to give me this. I think it costed around like 8 years back, around like 4 to 5 grand, and I'm sure the price right now will be around anywhere around like 10 to 12 grand. So because I'm aware that the price of these pearls have increased. So Hyderabad, of course, she bought it from Hyderabad, so obviously it was much cheaper compared to any other city. So if you happen to go to Hyderabad, do check out Mangatrai. This is one of the very famous stores in Hyderabad. Do check out; they're very famous for pearls. Moving on to the second piece. This is the most loved piece I own. I have used this like crazy. I got this from Delhi, from the Delhi Heart market. There was another stall of Hyderabadi pearls. Of course, if you do not know, in India, Hyderabad is very famous for their pearls. There was a store of Hyderabad pearls, and I seen this, and I loved it. This is exactly what I had in mind when I thought of pearls. So these are around 12 strands, and I like the way it has like a brooch sort of thing, or like a pendant, you can call it. So you can like obviously wear it like this, or maybe keep it on the side. Generally I love to keep it on the side, because I love the whole this pearl thing to be more like a statement thing than the pendant. But yeah, absolutely love this. These are in light pink shade. This again is approximately like 5 to 6 years old, and it came again with these set of earrings, simple, because the whole jazziness has to be on the necklace. This costed me around 6,000, and I'm sure the prices would be much higher now, but nonetheless, statement, lovely, gorgeous piece. On to the final piece. This is an absolute statement piece. This piece I had seen it on Sohali Khan approx 2 years back, and 2 years back, and that time I really loved it. That time the price was a little higher, so I did not buy. And later, around 6 months back, the seller got back to me saying that they're running some offer, approx 50% off. I think I got it for 5,000. It's an absolute statement piece. So Ali Khan had the same in light blue, baby blue, but I felt pink was a better choice for me, because it would go with my more of outfits than light blue. So I know, I have a feeling these are almost like plastic, or something in that similar material. I don't think that all of them are not pure, are not real pearls. By real pearls, I mean the harvested ones. The harvested one, because in case someone who doesn't know, like natural pearls are really rare, and nowadays that what we get are they actually harvested. They're not really, again, harvesting in a sea water is expensive, and the one which are harvested in like a sweet water are much cheaper. So most of these, like all the one that I own, are harvested in river water, or maybe a lake water, or in like a sweet water thing. So this, I feel, it's mix of all. But anyways, I never really got it for like thinking that's a real pearl or not a pearl. I just love the whole pearl finish. I love the way it looked, and yeah. So those are my pearl collection. Hope you all liked it. Please take care. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.